Hey boss, hey beauties, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to do a daily makeup. So it's small old people makeup, right? Small daily makeup to my beautiful mom. And we are going to do unboxing as well. So I bought this eyebrows kit to try on my mom eyebrows. I don't know how they will look like, but I decided to share it with you in case it works. Maybe it might help someone out there, especially we the beginners. So this eyebrows kit have four different eyebrows inside, right? Easier for you to try one after the other. It depends on the size you want. So with my mom, she doesn't even let me do what I want to do. She wants to participate. So we are doing it together, and it comes with a small brush and another two side brush and comb. Yeah, it's come like this, and also for eyebrow. So I'll first of all clean her eyebrows with my makeup remover, so that because she's also gray everywhere, so I want to have a clear look. Guys, I am not a makeup artist, right? So I apologize if I don't do it well. I just want to try something on her face and see how she will look like. But as you could realize, she doesn't even let me do it as I want it, right? So we are good. We are going to do it all together. And first of all, she would like me to shape her eyebrows a little bit. So imagine that you are shaping something that you don't see, as she's gray everywhere. So I'll try my best and see how it will work, right? So, and the unboxing we are going to do, it is especially the unboxing that pushed me to do this makeup. You see, guys, I am in hot seat today. And this is actually her first time. It is actually her first time doing makeup in her life, guys. So I just decided to buy this kit and try it on her face. Then the unboxing that we are going to do is a hair bonnet that we ordered from one of my sisters, and she has a website where she sells those bonnets. So my mom was going through and she liked something over there, so we ordered for that, and I decided to do a video about that so that we can also show her how beautiful is her hair bonnet, right? One of the reasons I got encouraged to do her a small makeup alone, so that we will all see with the bonnet how she looks like, and maybe you guys might also be interested in going through her website and find something beautiful over there. So I will first of all do her eyebrows and then a little bit of makeup application, right? I'm not going to do something big because she has a dark shade, and we are two different shade, right? My shade is a little bit brown, and hers is darker, so my makeup might not fit her shade right away, right? So I will try and do something a little bit, something like daily makeup. I will do something small, but a little bit cute. And I think you could see how the eyebrows came out, right? And the foundation I'm going to use is a dark brown foundation from L'Oreal, right? This is what I myself use because my mom doesn't do makeup at all. So it wasn't necessary to buy her something for herself because she will not do it. And so it was better I use my own but know how to use it on her face. So I'm going to use this foundation to shape her eyebrows more, and then I'm going to use a part of that to make the rest of the face, right? And yeah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
So now that we are done with her eyebrows, we are going to proceed with eyeshadow, right? And for that, I'm going to use a purple color because of her shade, so that she doesn't have something that is too bright. So I'm going to use the purple color and then blend it again with another purple ash color, so that I will bring out the beauty of her dark shade, right?
For the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
So I am done with the purple color. So before putting the purple ash color, I'm going to blend the side first with my ash dark color.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep.
So we are now done with the eyebrows, guys. We are now going to proceed with the eyelashes dark color, right? We are just want to put some dark pencil like a normal way on her eyelashes without putting any mascara or any lashes, right?
My head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So now that we are done with her eyes, we are going to proceed with her skin. As I told you earlier on, the foundation I'm going to use is from L'Oreal Paris. And I'm going to use my dark shade foundation to put in the whole face. And then I'm going to blend under her eyes, look, like those cheeks with the brown foundation, because I'm using myself 2 foundation, right? Because of her shade, I would not like to put something very bright. I'm just going to put something a little bit really light on her face, so that it will bring her eyebrows and eyeshadow out, right? So now that we are done with the foundation, I'm going to blend everything with my sleek powder, guys.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago, I've changed for the.
And because my mom doesn't wear lipsticks, I'm just going to put her some lip globes and shape her lips with a little bit of dark pencil.
Better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
So we are now going to do the unboxing. We are going to open her package, put it on her, and then show you a clear picture of that. So the package looks like this. The only thing I could tell my sister is to change the packaging a little bit for us. So I actually ordered for something for myself, in which I'm going to show you in the video, and she also added me a hair oil because she also does into hair and skin products, guys. This is her Instagram in case you would like to chat with her. She also has a website in which you could order your items if you would like to chat with her before. Otherwise, I will link her website in the description box if you want to follow the link. Otherwise, you could see also in this video, it is written www.nickisbeauty.com. You could just go to the website and order for yours, right? She has beautiful stuff over there. So now we are going to show you what my mom ordered from her, and you are going to see how she looks like. I know you don't have a clear picture in her position right now where she's sitting. I'll be showing you a clear picture of her whole face and bonnet, right? I'll change the position and then you will see her clearly right away.
The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So in case you didn't see her Instagram handle very well, it is called Nikki's Beauty Hair Wear, right? Nikki's Beauty Hair Wear. So you can just go on Instagram and check on those pictures and videos she has posted there, and you can also ask her for something if you want to know something about that. You could see how my mom is excited about that. She looks beautiful with that and her makeup. I'm now going to show you her clear picture. So I actually ordered for my hair bonnet over there, and I'm going to also show you how it looks like. These are some stuff you could find in her website. So in case you are just interested, as I said, I will link her website link under the description box or under the comment section so that you guys can follow it and go and check over there. You can also go on her Instagram, which is Nikki's Beauty Hairwear, and find everything out there. She does into hair, skins, and all those stuff. So go and check. Thank you so much, Nikki's Beauty. Thank you so much. We received your package, and I just wanted to do a surprise by doing this video for you. It was a pleasure for me to do that, sis. Thank you all guys for watching. It was a pleasure for me to share this with you. I love you all guys until we meet in my next one. Mwah.